Welcome to my channel. So I'll be showing you how to buy gift card with this website I'm typing on. You can sell a gift card here for a good rate, a high rate on this website. All you have to do is sign up with the link I will leave on my description. Click on that link, sign up, and once you open the website, you're going to see something like this. Is where you sign up for your first time. You put in your email. After clicking the link on my description, put in your email. They will send you a verification code to confirm your email. As in there, you verify your phone number. That's the only verification you need once you're in the site. So let me quickly log in now to show you how you could sell your gift card. Let me say you want to sell an iTunes card of $50 in exchange for Bitcoin. So let me log in. So after logging into the site now, remember I told you need to verify your phone number to be able to do anything on this website. Just verify your phone number, confirm the code sent to your phone number that you put on the website, and that's the only verification you are required to do as a first timer. That's all the verification you need. And this website you can use it to sell other gift cards apart from iTunes card. You could sell Google Play card, you could sell Amazon gift card of $500, $50, $25, thereby you could sell any gift card you have right here on this website. So let me quickly show you how to sell your gift card in exchange for Bitcoin as a first timer. So while the website load up, so if this is your first time coming across my content, please make sure you subscribe, like this video if you find it helpful. I really appreciate that. Note, you can also buy Bitcoin through your flat currency if you're in, say, outside Nigeria, in US, in Canada, even in Nigeria too. You can pay cash, like bank transfer in exchange for Bitcoin. So let me show you how to sell your gift card now. You click on buy Bitcoin. Let us go. So I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin to gift card. Network is a little bit slow here. On this load up now, I will show you the step you need to take. So yes, click on Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin there. You see, put in the amount of gift card you want to say right there on the amount. So we'll type in $500. From here, select the currency, US dollar, and there I'll select it. So let me say I want to change it. I want to put 50, maybe 500 is too. Let me put 50. So right there, where I just click now, you're going to select the payment method. This is where you select the card that you want to sell. Let me type in iTunes card. Type in iTunes card in there. If you want to sell other card apart from iTunes card, let me see, you want to say Google Play card, you can also type in that. No. Now click on this gift card I just selected. Now clear all those things you typed. So you see the list of card right here. All the card available that you could sell will be listed under this place. So just select the iTunes card, then offer location. Offer location is like the person you want to sell the gift card to. Which location do you want the person to be? So I'll put worldwide so I can get different countries I can sell the gift card to. So This is it now. This is the people you sell the gift card to, and this is for Bitcoin. Click on verified offers only. Those are verified buyers that have been verified by this website with who you can trust. So click on buy. So after click on buy now, let the website load up. Network is very slow. Empty. Okay, this is it now. So I'm paying 50 USD, which is $50 worth of iTunes card, and I'll get 30 for the 76 worth of Bitcoin. So this is about the seller. This is the name of the seller. This is the feedback. And you see this is the number of positive feedback given by this person. You can see expert trader there. Ensure you read the offer terms before opening trade in this person. This offer terms concern all the terms and conditions by the buyer. So you just have to read them, make sure you follow them, and you are good to go. You just have to click on that buy now at the top. Then you can message the person hi and tell what to do. You can see right here, these are people that have traded with this person. You can see they're living good trade. So if you have an issue, you can put a problem here. Right there, yes. They also have an exclusive system. You can report a problem right there. I can install this app on Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you can install it on your App Store. It will work very well. So that's it. Just click on Start Trade. Thanks for watching the video.